Totoo ba itong nakikita ko? Ipapakalat ko to.
Hi guys, so here are a few tips to help you identify accurate information from incorrect. Watch out for false content. Something that looks like a news story can actually be a prank. It is an indirect attempt to mislead. Make sure that the information comes from credible sources. Be mindful that famous people are frequently impersonated online. These news are designed to spark an emotional response or spread unnecessary details.
OMG! Nagpakalat ako ng fake news. Makukulong na ba ako nito?
Ang mabilis na pagkalat ng fake news at maling impormasyon ay maaaring magresulta sa di kaya-ayang parusa. Kaya sa patuloy na pagtaas ng paggamit ng social media, kinakailangan magdoble ingat sa pagbabasa at lalong-lalo na sa panloloko sa kapwa.